Hey guys, it's Katie at scrappingkatie.ctmh.com, and I have the January through April 2020 Craft with Heart subscription from Close to My Heart in front of me. I thought I would unbox it and go through the contents and kind of show you the kits that you can expect to get these months. So this is an annual subscription box which comes 4 months at a time. Each kit is the same no matter what subscription you sign up for. The 4-month and annual is just slightly different because you get the 4 kits at once. Each kit comes with an inspirational quote. They're 5x7 and can be used for cards and or framed for your home office. The annual subscription is the only one that comes with 30 free prints from Persnickety Prints, and you'll get that voucher card in each box. Here is a look at the January 2020 kit. I'm going to walk through this one in a little more detail than the other ones. And then the other ones, I'm just going to highlight some of the kit contents. So each kit comes with a fully color illustrated instruction guide showing you what to do and even gives you tips and tricks. Each kit comes with a sticker sheet as well as a die cut sheet, and any extra pieces that you need, they're all pre-cut for you. So here is the sticker sheet, and it's labeled for layouts 1 and layout 2, which makes it pretty simple to put those together. Same thing with the die cut sheet. These die cuts just punch out, and again, they're labeled layout 1 and layout 2. And then you can see that they also come with any photo mats that you need, pre-printed layout bases, as well as memory protectors. So the February 2020 kit is this bright, colorful one using the Celebrate Today line from Close to My Heart. A lot of florals, a lot of bright colors. It can be, each kit can be used to kind of do your own thing. When I say pre-printed layout bases, I'm going to show you this one that's meant for that party layout. That paint splatter as well as that stitched triangle, those are printed on the layout base itself. So no need to get messy with any paints or inks, and you don't have to pull out your sewing machine, but you get that same look as if you did. These kits are great for those people who don't have a whole lot of time. They're fast, simple, easy, and beautiful. And also for those of you that think you aren't creative enough to create your own layouts. Here is a look at the March 2020 kit using the Yesterday and Today line from Close to My Heart. This one is predominantly vintagey, but you could also add color photos and even present day photos. Again, I kind of made one my own and kind of used the embellishment part of the layout, but kind of went with different size photos. You can check out that video on my channel as well. Each kit again comes with 3 memory protectors. These are top load and 3-hole punch. But you could use them with any scrapbooking album out there. They're pretty versatile as far as which albums they fit. Here is a look at the April 2020. It's very beachy and summery. I love that top layout has that paper torn effect. I'm going to pull out those layout bases to show you what that looks like. Again, there are 3 subscription choices: the monthly, the 4-month, and the annual. The 4-month and annual are due up front, and you'll receive them 4 months at a time. Remember, the annual subscription, you get free shipping and the 30 free Persnickety prints with each box. So here is a look at that pre-printed layout. So not only do you get the paper tearing effect, but you get that watercolor effect down at the bottom. And then you just add the floral pieces as well as the photo mats. Again, if you have any question about this subscription or maybe subscriptions in the past, please leave me a comment. I will leave a link down below to subscribe to the Craft with Heart subscription. Thanks.